Hi everyone, this is Isabel the Shabby Hippie. I hope you're all doing well. Um, Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new subscribers. I'm so sorry for how I sound because I have bad allergies today, so I sound a little stuffy, but I think a lot of you can relate. So yeah, but anyway, I'm here today because I got a Happy Mail package from a friend of mine. She had contacted me a couple of weeks ago to see if my address had changed, and I said no, it's still the same. So she sent this, and this is how I got it, guys. It is completely smashed. You see this? Like, it's just smashed. So I hope nothing got damaged in here, because she is such an amazing crafter. But hopefully, I'm praying to God that everything is okay here. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up and just pray for the best. So, oh, by the way, yes, her name is Cathy, and she is from Cathy's Crafts and More. Hang on here. Let me see if I can lift the, yeah, Cathy's Creative Crafts and More. Sorry, Cathy. Cathy's Creative Crafts and More. That is who she is here on YouTube. She's an amazing crafter. Yeah, she is an amazing crafter. And she's a very sweet lady too. So, I'm sorry, guys. I'm a little slow here today, obviously. Oh gosh, did I cut something in here that I wasn't supposed to? Oh gosh, I don't even know. I hope not. I hope not. No, I think it's okay. Okay, yeah. I just cut into this, so I thought I had cut into like a what do you call that thing? Oh, how pretty. Look at this paper. It's so pretty. Oh, by the way, guys, it's not raining here today, and it's not cloudy, so yay. Oh, look, butterflies and butterflies. Look how sweet. Oh, look. It's so pretty. Thank you. Thank you, Cathy. And I'm already seeing yummies here. So, oh, boy. So hang on here. Let me just take everything out and see here. Wow. This poor thing. Oh, gosh. I hope nothing got damaged. Okay, there. And let me put this to the side because now it's going to be a little easier for me to be able to get into this. All right, so we have a squashed card here. So, oh, I don't know what the heck is going on. I guess now with the reduction of mailmen and everything, it's postal service workers. It's crazy. Oh, it's birthday mail. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Look. It says happy birthday, and she has a little butterfly that she cut out here and put it on top of another one. Oh, and she added some, I'm not sure if this is flakes or paint or something, but she added something there. Look how pretty. And, oh, hi, Isabel. Hope you had an amazing birthday. Sending you crafty hugs. Cathy's Creative Crafts and More. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Oh, thank you so much. How sweet of you. Thank you. And I did have a good, very good birthday, thank God, which is good because, you know, I'm grateful, of course, for every day that I wake up and am able to see my family. But look at these, or this. Let me see what it is. Hang on here. I kind of feel, here. There we go. Ooh. All right, there we go. Let's see what this is. Oh, how cute. They are cute little bows. Oh, I love them. Thank you, sweetie. Oh, yeah, I'll be using these for sure. Oh, yeah. I love them. They're made with cotton. So I really, really love them. I don't know if she dyed the fabric or if it came like that, but I love them. Oh, my goodness. Yes, I do. I do. I do. Okay, so let me put this here. Start stacking. And then look at this. Oh, she's amazing with doing Oh, what a shame it got ruined with doing, what do you call these things? Rosettes. And she's just, well, actually, she's amazing with everything she does, to be honest with you. She is such a great crafter. Okay, let's see here. What a shame that this got, this such a pretty bag topper got ruined. Oh, I'm so mad. It's a shame. Oh. Alright, let's see here. Look how pretty, guys. Isn't that pretty? Aren't they pretty? They are beautiful. I love these tiny... How did you do this tiny, 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 tiny rosette? And she put them on foam. I don't know if you can tell. How cute. Oh my goodness, I love these. Yep, I love them, love them, love them. Love them. Oh man, what a shame. Alright, let me put this to the side as well. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, look at the bag. She made the bag herself. So pretty. I love this. So pretty. I love it. Okay, so I could still use this in a journal though. And who knows? I could put it, maybe not a bow, but I'll still use it. And we have some, yay, some flat flowers, definitely. Oh yeah, thank you so much. I know where I'm going to use those. And then we have another little bag here. Let's see. Oh, look how pretty. I love how she did this little collage here. Isn't that pretty? It is so, so pretty. So pretty. So let's see here. Oh, okay. Oh, how cute. It's a shame that these little things that she made got all smashed. Oh. But anyway, yep, here we go with, let me put this to the side. Okay, here we go. And then look how pretty. I like these spare parts. Gold Aztec charm, 6-piece. That is so cute for boho journal. Thank you so much, honey. Thank you. And then we have, oh, I love this. I love how she did this. She added a doily, and then she added this, here we go. You can see it better there, I think. This tulle, and she wrapped it around, and she tied it and put a flower on it that she layered. And let's see here. Oh, nice seam binding. I don't have these colors, I believe. Thank you. I love that. And she cut out one of these lace boards. Don't remember. I think it's KS Craft, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I have this one or one that looks like this one. Actually, I think mine just looks like it. I can't remember. But thank you so much. I don't have those colors. Thank you so much, honey. And then we have this. Okay, so that was in there. That was in there. That was there. No, this was here. There we go. Okay. Actually, let me put the bows over here. And then we'll do something like that. And then, oh my gosh. Let's see what this is. Look how interestingly she wrapped this. Oh my gosh, it just tucked underneath. Oh, that's so neat. Thank you. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Wow. Okay, hold on. Look how beautiful. She used the same paper line. I'm thinking this is digitals, but I'm not 100% sure. Let me know in the comments, Cathy, if these are digitals or not. She wrapped some lace around the rings, and she put some eyelets in there, which is always good. And then it says best day ever. She's got some butterflies, a cute little bicycle button, and she used these black little jemmies on the, I imagine that's where the holes were, unless they weren't buttons. I'm just thinking they are buttons, but I don't know. But look how pretty. You see this, guys? Isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. I love it. Okay, and then when you open it up, okay, she made little envelopes. I'm so sorry. My nose is so tickly. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 envelopes. Look how beautiful. I love that. I really love that. And then here she put in a little ATC card. Look how cute. I love this. Thinking of you. And she added a little lady, so to speak. She's holding a bird, or a bird is just kind of perched on her hand. And I love these roses down here. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, it doesn't open. No. Okay, just wanted to be sure. I love that. Oh. And then my cat was just on top of my desk. I'm like, what are you doing here? I have allergies. Go away. Oh, look how cute. I love how she tore this. And then she added this flower to it. That is so pretty. This paper is really pretty. I like this. Very pretty. And she added this tag, which she also tore here and just added the paper to the tag. I like that. Very nice. Beautiful. We'll put that in there. And she also added the lace to the top. And then here she added a little butterfly. And oh, it's velcroed. Okay. Oh, look, more flowers. Yay. This is great because I've been wanting to, although I do have flowers, it's not that I don't have any, but I've been wanting to use more flowers in my journals. So this is awesome. Thank you. And then I love this picture here. That is so pretty. Isn't that pretty? I love that. And then how she laid it on top of this piece of lace. That's just like, to me, that's just perfection. It doesn't take much to make something look pretty or beautiful. Sometimes the simplest things are the most beautiful. So I really love that. Thank you. Thank you so much. And look at this little setup over here. This is so neat. Okay, so we have a little rose with a butterfly, and we have another butterfly. And then we have, oh, she gifted me some of these die cuts that she's been using in here. I don't know if she made them herself or if she bought them. I have no idea. Let's see here. Let me see if I can find that envelope or something that I can. Oh, this is flat here. This little piece here is flat. So I just want to take a quick look. Look how pretty. Well, anyway, we can see that one, so I'm not going to take that one out. Oh, how cute. I love these. Thank you so much, Cathy. Oh, I love them. Yes, yes, yes. And a nice little butterfly. Oh, how pretty. Thank you so much. Oh, Lord. Yes, yes, yes. I am loving these. And this one has foam in between. And so does this one. And this one. And this one. Wow, these are awesome. I love these. Okay, so I'm going to leave them there. I'll know that they belong in the empty pouch here. And then we have a little collage that she did here full of the same flowers and the butterfly. And oh, I love that. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then let's see here. Oh, look how pretty. Look at these little flowers here with the little gems in the middles. In the middle? In the middle. I hope you can see with the glare. Oh gosh. I love those. They're so cute. Yep, definitely can use everything here. And last one. I love this. So pretty. And more flowers. Okay, we have some pink and yellow flowers. This is awesome. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay. I love this, Cathy. Thank you so much for thinking of me, honey. I appreciate it so much. This is like totally unexpected. Look how beautiful this side is here. Unfortunately, it did get damaged with whatever the post office did to it, but it's okay. I mean, it still works the same. It's just that unfortunately it's a little more wrinkled there, but it's okay though. I know you did it with your heart, and that's what's important. So I love this setup here with the two doilies on either side, and then the butterflies and the little journaling card there. I love that. Oh, guys, please go over to Cathy's channel. I will leave it linked below. And you can see she's an amazing crafter. Please, please tell her I sent you. And yeah, and that's it. What can I say? Thank you so much, Cathy. Thank you all for watching. I will be back soon, hopefully. And I just noticed the camera is on an angle, so I hope you guys can see this okay. But anyway, I am so sorry. Yes, I gotta go. I gotta go rest my voice before I get hoarse. But anyway, I love you all. God bless you. And thank you, Cathy, again. Thank you so much, honey. And thank you all for watching. Bye-bye. Take care.